Video number 1. So, my stack basically is Vue.js, TypeScript, Node.js, and typical Express, PostgreSQL, and I'm using GitLab. Things. So the main thing that I've been learning basically is TypeScript. So I've been having troubles compiling and just publishing packages and just linking things. And the thing is, in Windows sometimes, there's permissions and they're a bit annoying. At least I don't control them. So I was working fine, and for some reason I was trying to link one of my packages, my modules, to the main project, and was failing for some permissions reasons. So I was trying to look for it and solve it, and I couldn't. And then it's important to read the errors, like basically the whole thing. That sometimes, at least I do, it's like I read just the first line, and then maybe the second line give you more clues. So the error was, if I remember, something about permissions, and then some hints about maybe you don't have permissions. But I checked the administrator of the account, so it's like that shouldn't be that. Everything is fine. I got my user is the admin. And then the second hint was like, or maybe another project is using that file. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna close all my Visual Studio windows and then just try to do the same thing in the terminal. And I did it, and it worked. And so after a few hours of just trying to figure out what was going on, that was it. So just read the bloody errors messages. And Windows kind of has those kind of things. At the end I figured out actually I didn't need to do the double link that I was doing, because with npm you have to link the project to create a symbolic link in the laptop, and then in the main project you have to link to that module locally. And so once you link the module for the very first time, you don't need to do it again. I thought it was kind of not updating, so I was like, in the module I was compiling, linking, and then trying to link in the project again, but doesn't really need to happen that. So once in the module I compile and I link, that's enough. So, but anyway, you always learn stuff through the problems that you arrive to. But there you go, that's it. Now I can continue with my project.